gotta clean the roof off after you're done work. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna save it and then resell it as firewood. This is gonna be grinded up in there, put in there. We just took down this tree that's right here. We're gonna grind this up here pretty soon. And pretty much we raised that up a lot, a good 20 feet at least. It's a good canopy all the way around. This is just what's left of that over there. And from here, and then this guy, we're just cleaning the roof right now with the leaf blower. It's looking pretty good. The main thing what they wanted was to get the branches away from the roof, and we did that. We took it out about 5 feet in and lifted it a good, I want to say a good 20 feet, easy. But that's all she wrote, guys. Have a good one.